Organize the students' data with columns for names and their father's names, and write the total and obtained marks of the 6 subjects. In a new column or row, where you want to display the total marks for each student, use the following formula. To start a formula, use an equal sign, and then write sum as we use the formula of sum for calculating the obtained marks of a student. Then a suggested bar will open. Double-click on the sum, then click on that cell from where you want to start the calculation and drag till the last subject's marks. Leave the cursor and press Enter. You can see the result, the sum of all subjects' marks. Now you have 2 ways to get the total marks of other students. Number 1 is to use the sum formula all the time or click on the cell where you got the total marks of first student and drag it till the last student leave it. Total obtained marks of all students are displayed. Now the next column is for the percentage of obtained marks, so we use a percentage formula as we use a sum formula. For adding all the obtained marks of a student in the percentage formula, we need 2 things: obtained marks and total marks. Obtained marks divided by total marks. Let's start the formula with an equal sign. First click on the obtained marks of a student and use a division sign. Then click on total marks. Now press Enter. We have the percentage of that marks. We will not do it again and again. We use a time-saving trick, and that is click on the first percentage that we got before and drag it to the end of the list of students and leave the cursor. You can see we got the percentage of all marks of the students. The next step is grading. In grading, we use percentages. It means grades based on percentage. Let's start the formula as usual. Start with the equal sign, then we use the if formula for the grading. As you write the if word, a suggestion bar opens. Double-click on if, then go to the formula bar because this formula is long and we write it easily in the formula bar. Press the bracket button. Click on the percentage of the first student, use the greater sign, then write 80 comma. Then use the quotation mark and write capital A and close the quotation mark. Then again comma, complete it. Press Enter. You can see the grade. We have a trick that we will take the cursor, drag it to the end, then leave it here. We have grades. Now, the last column is for the position. We use a formula of rank for this. With the help of this formula, we can easily determine the position or rank of every student according to his marks. As usual, start with the equal sign, write rank, then click on the obtained marks of the student comma. Then select the range means to select the obtained marks of all the students. In Excel, the $, is a special character that is used in formulas and functions to create an absolute reference to a cell, column, or row. Absolute references are references that do not change when you copy or fill a formula to other cells. Then put the bracket, press Enter. You can see the position or rank of the first student. Now drag the cursor to the end. Leave the cursor and get the positions of all students.